Alright, today we're going to be multiplying integers with models. So we have two different methods. The first method is method 1 with integer chips. So with method 1, we want to look at multiplication as repeated addition. And since we're working with negative numbers, also repeated subtraction. So here we go. We know that 3 times 2 is repeated addition. So that means 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 6. That means we're adding 3 groups of 2. So we're going to actually show 3 groups of 2 by showing that we've circled 2 positives. So we have 3 groups of positive 2. Example 1 says 3 times negative 2. So that means we want to show that we have negative 2 plus negative 2 plus negative 2. That means we're adding 3 groups of negative 2. So when we show that model, we have 3 groups of negative 2. We've circled every negative 2. Now, when you are multiplying a negative times a negative, your model is going to look a tad bit different. This time we're going to look at multiplication as repeated subtraction. So that means we're taking away negative 2 from negative 2 from negative 2. And once we do that, we're noticing that we're really left with nothing, which is 0. So we show 0 in integer models using 0 pairs. So since there's nothing to take away, we have to start with those 0 pairs. So we have 0 pairs, and we have 0 pairs of every negative 2. So I see negative 2 here and positive 2, 0 pair. Negative 2 and positive 2, 0 pair. Negative 2 and positive 2, 0 pair. Now I can actually take away those 3 groups of negative 2. So I can actually take away 3 groups of negative 2, and I'm going to show that by circling the 3 groups of negative 2, and I'm left with 6 positives. Let's try example 2. Example 2 says negative 4 times negative 3. That means I want to take away 4 groups of negative 3. So if you see, again, if I take away, keep taking away negative 3, keep taking away negative 3, I'm going to end up with 0. So I need to start with 0 pairs. So this time I want 4 groups of negative 3 and positive 3 to show my 0 pairs. So I'm going to start with the 0 pairs, and I have those, and I want to be able to take away those negative 3. So if you look at my model, I'm here with 4 groups of 0 pairs showing my negative 3 and my positive 3. And I'm going to take away 4 groups of negative 3. All right, for example 3, I want you to go ahead and create the model on your own. You can use negative 5 times 1 or 1 times negative 5. You know the answer, but I want to see the model. Show your teacher when you're done.